Hey John, I thought I would show you the place and show you something I'm working on. Here's the bedroom. There's the kitchen. Here's where I work. And here's the living room. So as you can see, I have a 3D printer. I just got it this weekend and put it together, and I'm printing the first print, test print right there. And I picked up this card table from Walmart. It ended up being super flimsy. So that's one of the first projects I'm going to print on this printer is mounts to make supports for the table. So the table is kind of weak in the center. I fear it's not going to be able to support much weight, and that's because it has no bracing along that long axis of the table. And so what I did is I got a dowel from the hardware store, and I'm printing the parts to mount the dowel across the bottom of the table. So here's one of the parts I printed. It's a threaded piece which kind of opens up, and then the idea is that it's going to connect onto this part of the table like so. And then this end here is also threaded, and so the idea is that it's going to thread into this piece that's mounted. The dowel is going to thread into the piece mounted to the table like that. On the other end of the table, there's going to be another mount. This is only one half of it, but there's going to be a top mount that's going to go across that part of the table as well. And this piece will slot in there and be able to spin freely. So it'll kind of fit in here, and it'll be able to spin like that, so that the part that's threaded can turn and thread itself in and tighten the brace. And this can turn so that the brace can expand or contract as needed.